Hello Virgos, welcome new viewers, cross-watchers and my lovely moonians. This is a monthly reading for July 2021. We will be looking into love and anything else that the spirit has for us. Take what resonates, let go of that which doesn't, alright? So let's see what's coming through and make sure that you check your other signs also, spirit. What do we need to know? Thank you. Firstly, we have the King of Wands coming in reverse. When the King of Wands comes in reverse, there is a little bit of manipulation or trying to overly control certain things, the flow of certain things or how things are progressing. When the King of Wands comes in reverse, it also signifies wounded divine masculine energy. So over dominance, a sense of control by controlling how others are seeing you, how others are reacting to you, all of that. So it's a reminder coming in that what you can control are your actions. So bring your control back to yourself. It's like expecting others to act in a certain way, which needs to come to an end. A little bit of sense of entitlement which is coming in over here. We'll just see what else is coming in. Why is this there? We have the Judgment card coming in reverse and we have the Five of Swords coming through. Five of Swords talks about walking away from something or relationships or friendships, equations which are no longer in sync with you. A lack of clarity that may be there. You may be thinking of whether or not to stay or move on is also kind of coming in. But do what is best for you. Become aware of energy vampires also is also coming in. Certain kind of clarity which is due. Okay, the cards just went outside the frame. Just a second. We have Two of Wands coming in, Nine of Swords in reverse, and the Emperor card coming in reverse. My God, Aries Major Arcana coming in over here. And these two are very similar, very similar. What I was saying about this person over here is exactly over here also. There's this energy of mind game kind of a thing which is coming in, which you want to move out of. Someone who may have had trust issues. There's some kind of karmic release which is happening. Wanting to build things together, certain kind of anxiety, sleepless nights which are coming to an end, the dominance, the need thereof, of controlling others and everything, divine masculine energy coming in over here also. Or even like there's no action being taken where there's a need. When there's a need of taking action, no one is really taking an action, but there's a little bit of this power struggle which is happening over here. Someone thinking whether or not I should stay or go forward, and over here, someone who's thinking how to bring in more, how to work with the differences is also kind of coming in. A little bit of ego death that may be happening for both of you is coming through over here. Certain kind of illusions which are coming to an end, the cloudiness which will be going away, but a lot of like power struggle energy which is coming through. You may be polar opposites, but right now you both are trying to control how things are flowing, how the other person is reacting is the energy which is coming through. At the bottom we have Knight of Cups, Knight of Coins and Two of Coins coming in reverse. Trying to see which side is greener. You both want to come out as winners is also kind of energy coming in. You both are mirroring each other, but it's too conditional for things to grow the way they are. There's a blockage which is coming in because we may be fixating ourselves of certain kind of ways people have to react to us and everything. I don't know what it is. I want to go forward now. So let's see what the romance angels have for us. Make the effort coming in. And we have codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. certain kind of karmic patterns that need to come to an end. You both may be projecting a lot of like independence, but at the end of it, there's this validation that you both seek. I want to look at more what they would like to say, because I don't want to be rude and say harsh things at the moment. But the way things are, the power struggle and everything, it's not making sense. How long? It's like let go of the control issues is the energy which is coming in. You don't always have to be right. And that's something that you both are in a way struggling with to overcome. And at the end of it, no one's really making some constructive or productive or positive effort into really making things work, because both are thinking more from the pride point of view. It's been a lovely ride knowing you. Thank you coming through. So they appreciate your influence in their life. It's easier to blame another. Denial is or was a thing. So if there has been certain kind of discord in the connection, like the two of wands also coming through, polar opposite people coming in together, they may have blamed you entirely for things not working out in the past, perhaps, or something or the other. But they're realizing that things have to change a little. They also have to own up to their part or how they influenced this scenario. Did you put a spell on me? You got me dizzy coming in. I'm sorry to say, but there's this unhealthy equation going on. It's in a way nice because they can't get enough of you, but is this situation really helping you grow? This could have been something of the past also. Nothing can keep us apart. You are in my heart. I'm really glad for everything that led me to you. In all honesty, the grass wasn't greener. I learned a lot from this relationship and from you. Thank you coming through. A lot of thank you which is coming in. Someone from the past also could be coming in wherein you experienced something which was very karmic, very could have been a little toxic also, while there were like really lovely memories, but at the end of it, it tended to become very toxic for both of you. There were a lot of fights, a lot of insecurity, but a lot of codependency which was there. Like you both didn't want each other, but it's no, I'll say you both needed each other, that kind of a thing. And at the end of it, it's not progressive anymore. A lot of dwelling energy, a lot of stickiness, which is the toxic, low vibrational energy. And you've maybe like, you walked away from it, and now they're realizing how their own insecurities or the need of codependencies and all of that, how it could have been handled in a more healthier way is also kind of coming in. Realizing your value now. If this is a current situation, I think you need some time out to really go within and see what is really meant for you. Is this what you see relationships to be? Are you getting the breathing space? Chaos creates chaos. I was the storm and you, my thunder. You changed me. I cheated us out of our beautiful connection. I'm sorry. This could definitely be someone who's coming from the past and gaining clarity about how things went wrong, how situations went out of balance, out of hand, and what their part was in it. but they're grateful for you entering their life because you taught them a lot. You taught them how to be a better person. We have sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron coming in with the third eye. Look at the situation, step away from it, and look at it from a third person's perspective. Listen to your intuition. Rest and rejuvenation coming through. And we have the world coming in. The world is your oyster. You are not alone. Pursue your dreams and others will come in to support you. Some time off is very much required to rethink how things are going to go forward, especially if this is a scenario where there's a lot of toxic energy. Separate yourself, take a break from it, look at things more clearly. Just because things have been rolling doesn't mean they have to keep rolling, especially if things are getting too gritty. Because if this is just in case a present scenario, I feel you both deserve something better. I personally don't see this as being healthy. I'm just giving out the reality of the cards which are coming in. At the bottom, we have community coming through and abundant, blossoming abundance. There are more rewarding relationships which will be opening up for you. What is your higher self saying to you? Have an honest chat with yourself. You may like to work with amethyst crystal. Brings in sobriety, clarity, concentration. You need to look at the situation from a fresh perspective. Let's see what the fairies have for you. No. Okay, we'll take this. Rainbow Spirit. When you feel anxious, you can ask for help from the energy source that is around you. Okay. We have Fairy Godmother. Get out of your shell and allow yourself to sing out loud with the music of the day coming in. And we have Starlight coming through. You have been upset in the past by the actions of others, but now is the time for you to say enough and live your own life coming in. That's the push which is coming through from the universe. You need to look at the situation more clearly and stand up for yourself and not do it through your ego self, but your higher self is really trying to guide you towards the next step, what is best for you. If things are toxic, then separating, having the courage to do that and not being afraid of the uncertainty or the void that may come through because you may choose a newer path for yourself is the energy which is coming through. You can transform your life is also coming in over here. You're not stuck. I'm just getting a very bad headache. For some, I'm just being asked to say, are you in love with the person with this person for who they are or what you are expecting out of them, the potential of them? Become aware of that also. And if you have been indecisive for some time, your higher self will be giving you more insight, more information to help you make a decision which is best for you. Meditation and asking your angels or even yourself the question and really truly meditating over it will bring you a lot of awareness, a lot of clarity, and help you see things in a more realistic way is also the energy which is coming through over here. I don't know why am I being called to say all of this, but if you're wanting the person to change, it won't be overnight. The camera just shut off. The moment I said it won't be overnight, it just went off. Fresh perspective, really look at the situation for what it is, and not what the potential is the energy which is coming in. something much better is entering your life, or if things have to progress, then you both need to change the dynamics a little and bring in more trust to start with. That is what is coming in. Do let me know your thoughts, and thank you so much for your precious time. Do check in your other signs if this does not resonate with you. There's a reason why you looked into it. Maybe this is a channel thing coming in for a loved one, and you will be able to help them on their journey with the knowledge that you have gained today, and wish the best for you. Love, light, calmness, clarity, expansion, freedom, and empowerment to you all. Compassion too. Until next time, Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely moonians.